We are from Basavaraddi B.A and B.Com Degree College, Sampiganagar, Dharwad. Last class we had discussed about the problems based on internal reconstruction and preparation of balance sheet. In this class we have discussed about the another problem regarding the internal reconstruction, that is capital reduction method. The balance sheet of A Company Limited as on 31st 3 2013 was as follows. They have given the liabilities and assets. In the liabilities, share capital 3008% cumulative preference shares of rupees 100 each, 6000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, 9% mortgage debentures 1,50,000, bank overdraft 75,000, creditors 1,50,000, and then goodwill 15,000 rupees, building 3 lakh, machinery 4,50,000, stock in trade 75,000, debtors 60,000, next cash 7,500, and profit and loss account how much? 3,67,500. Now the company adjustment. The company got the following scheme of capital reduction approved by the court. The preference shares is to be reduced to rupees 75 per share fully paid up, and equity shares to rupees 40 per share fully paid up. Nodri, reduced to preference shares 75 and equity shares 40. Same here, 100 minus 75 is equal to how much? 25. Preference shares 100 minus 40 is equal to how much? 60 reduced by amount of equity shares. The debentures took over the stock in trade and debtors. Nodri, stock in trade as well as debtors amount taken over ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡದ in full satisfaction of the amount due to them. The goodwill account is to be eliminated and the building is to be increased by 30% appreciation. The value of a machinery is to be depreciated by 33 integer 1 by 3 percentage. The expenses of the reconstruction amounted to rupees 4,000. Give the journal entries for the above and prepare the revised balance sheet ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Now the first working note, calculation of capital ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ 3,008% ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 100 each, and then it was to be reduced to rupees 75 per share. Now first one, particulars rupees and rupees. 3,000 preference shares, 3,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each reduced to rupees 75 each. It means reduced by rupees 25 each. How? 100 minus 75. Now 3,000 into 25 is equal to 75,000 rupees. Now the second one, 6,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. It was to be reduced to rupees 40 each. Now It means it was to be reduced by rupees 60 each or 60 per share. 100 minus 40 is equal to how much? 60. 6,000 into 60 is equal to 3,60,000. 3,60,000. Next, the appreciation on building. The building was to be increased ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ದಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ appreciation on building amount 30% of 3 lakh. 30% of 3 lakh, that is 90,000. Total 75,000 plus 3,60,000 plus 90,000 is equal to 5,25,000. 5,25,000. Now the debenture holders took over the stock in trade and debtors. Debenture holders amount 1,50,000, stock 75,000 and debtors 60,000. Now add debenture holders amount sacrificed by debenture holder, that is 9% debenture is equal to 1,50,000 less debtors 60,000 less stock 75,000. Now 1,50,000 minus 60 minus 75,000 is equal to 15,000 rupees. Now the 5,25,000 plus 15,000 is equal to 5,40,000 is the capital reduction amount. Capital reduction amount. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಐತಿ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ in the books of A Company Limited. Now particulars: debit and then credit. Now first entry, preference share capital account debited. Next, equity share capital account debited to capital reduction account, that is amount 75,000 plus 3,60,000, total 4,35,000. Total 4,35,000 being 3,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each reduced by rupees 25 each and 6,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each and reduced by rupees 60 each as per the rule of reconstruction. As per the rule of reconstruction. Now the second entry is 9%. Debenture account debited to debtors account to stock account. Difference amount we have to transfer the to capital reduction account. Now the 9% debenture is equal to 1,50,000 and debtors 60,000. Now the stock is equal to 75,000. Difference 15,000 rupees is the capital reduction amount. Being debenture holders to take over the stock and debtors in full satisfaction of the amount due to them. Now the third entry appreciation on building account debited to capital reduction account to capital reduction amount 90,000 being the appreciation value of building. Appreciation value of building. Now the fourth entry capital reduction account debited to goodwill account to profit and loss account to machinery account. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 33 ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ 1/3% into 4,50,000. Next to expenses account. Expenses on reconstruction. Expenses account. Difference amount we have to transfer the capital reserve account. Total capital reduction amount is equal to 5,40,000. 40,000, and then goodwill 15,000. Next 3,67,000, and then 1,50,000, 4,000. Now the difference amount 5,40,000 minus 15 minus 3,67,000 minus 1,50,000, 4,000 is equal to how much? 3,500. Now the narration being the capital reduction amount utilized to write off the above assets, and the above assets are goodwill, profit or loss, machinery, expenses account, and the balance amount is transferred to capital reserve account, and the balance amount transferred to capital reserve account. I hope you will understood the problems on how to calculate the capital reduction and then how to pass the journal entries. Now the next problem is Sand Company Limited decided to go for the internal reconstruction. The scheme of reconstruction is as follows: 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid, reduced to rupees 5 each fully paid. Now next one, 5,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each fully paid up, reduced to rupees 5 each fully paid. Next one, 1,010% debentures of rupees 500 each converted into 506% debentures of rupees 50 each. Next, the debit balance of profit and loss account of rupees 25,000 and the preliminary expenses of rupees 30,000 were to be written off. The value of plant and machinery and stock were written off by rupees 15,000 and 12,500 respectively. Pass the journal entries. KUD May 2012 question paper ಒಳಗಿನ question ಇದೆ. Now first we have to prepare the capital reduction. Calculate the capital reduction amount. Now calculation of capital reduction. First one, 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid, reduced to rupees 5 each fully paid. It means reduced by rupees 5 each. That is 10 minus 5 is equal to how much? 5. Now 10,000 into 5 is equal to 50,000. 10,000 into 5 is equal to 50,000. Now the second one, 5,000 preference shares preference shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid, reduced to rupees 5 each, fully paid up. Now 5,000 into, it means reduced by rupees 5 each, that is 5,000 into 5. 5,000 into 5, 25,000. Next, third, add amount sacrificed by debenture holder. Amount sacrificed by debenture holder. 110% shares of rupees 500 each. 10% debenture, that is old debentures. 100 into 500, that is 50,000. Now less 6% converted debenture. 6% debenture, that is new debentures. 500 into 50. 500 into 50. 500 into 50 is equal to 25,000. 500 into 50 is equal to 25,000. Now 50,000 plus 25,000 is equal to how much? 25,000 is equal to 25,000. Now 50,000 plus 25,000 plus 25,000 is equal to how much? 1 lakh rupees. Is equal to 1 lakh rupees. That is capital reduction amount. Capital reduction is equal to how much? 1 lakh. In ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ in the books of S company, debit and then credit. LF, first one, preference share capital account debited, equity share capital account debited to capital reduction account, that is 25,000. 50,000 is equal to 75,000, being 5,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid up, reduced by rupees 5 each, and 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each and reduced by rupees 5 each. And then next entry, 10% debentures account debited to 6% debenture account to capital